Sea level rise means ocean surface is getting higher on average. Rising sea levels are a major sign of climate change and can seriously affect coastal communities, ecosystems, and economies worldwide. Global warming is causing global mean sea level to rise. This happens mainly because glaciers and ice sheets are melting and sea water expands when it gets warmer. As the Earth gets hotter and large ice sheets in places like Greenland and Antarctica are melting, which adds more water to the oceans. Also, warmer water takes up more space. Global mean sea level has risen about 21-24 centimeters since 1880. In 2023, global mean sea level was 101.4 millimeters above 1993. It is the highest annual average in the satellite record. There are two main ways to measure sea level rise: tide gauge and satellite altimeter. Tide gauge stations used for over 100 years, which record high and low tides every day with both manual and automatic tools. Scientists collect data from many of these stations and to find a global average. Since the early 1990s, scientists have been used satellite altimeter to measure sea level rise from space. They use altimeter and which sends signals to the ocean, and they measure how fast and how strong signals return. Climate change is the main cause of rising sea level around the world. When the earth gets warmer, ice in glaciers melts, adding a lot of water to the ocean. This directly makes sea level go up. Also, water gets warmer and water expands. It also causes sea level to rise. The link between climate change and sea level rise isn't simple. It is important to understand the connection so we can better predict how sea level might rise in the future, and we can make a plan to reduce damage. Global sea level rise has serious and wide range effect on both people and nature. Higher sea level can damage important structures like roads, bridges, and buildings, which more money will be needed for repair. As flooding in coastal areas happens more often, and it can wash away land and let salt water mix with fresh water. It make unsafe drinking and hard farming. People who live in low-lying areas may be forced to leave their home, and it causes many problems like losing home, losing job, and needing more help from government services. As sea level rise, it becomes more expensive to protect coastal areas. Governments may need to build sea walls, storm barriers, and fix damaged buildings and roads. Flooding and erosion can destroy homes and jobs, especially in places that are already at risk. Rising sea level can make social and economic problems worse by forcing people move and stopping business and putting pressure on public services. For instance, towns that depend on tourism, fishing, farming lose a lot of money if the sea level rise affect their daily life. In 2023, the United Nations identified India, Bangladesh, China, the Netherlands as countries facing serious threat from sea level rise, and about 900 million people live low-lying coastal areas at great risk. NASA also warned East Coast and Gulf Coast of United States, and along with a part of Asia and various islands are highly fragile to rising oceans. As the Earth keeps getting warmer, sea levels will continue to rise. How fast will sea level rise? It mostly depends on how much greenhouse gas we release in the future. Another thing that it is make hard to predict what will happen large ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica. Government needs strong plans to reduce melting large glaciers and protect at-risk communities and reduce damage causing by rising oceans.